The internet runs on infrastructure owned by a handful of corporations, from data centers to cloud contracts and central gatekeepers who control access and cost. For years, this centralized model was the only option, and while it worked, it concentrated power in a few hands. Then something shifted in how physical infrastructure could be owned and operated. In January 2026, decentralized physical infrastructure networks generated over $150 million in on-chain revenue. That revenue came not from speculation, but from real people paying for storage, compute, wireless coverage, and bandwidth on networks owned by ordinary participants. 440 active projects and over 40 million devices are live across these networks. Messari projects the addressable market at $3.5 trillion by 2028. The infrastructure layer of the internet is being rebuilt from the ground up. But the first generation of decentralized hardware carries a structural flaw that a new device was built to solve. The numbers are no longer theoretical. These networks are delivering measurable results at scale. Helium Mobile has deployed over 600,000 hotspots with ordinary hosts, earning between $20 and $50 a month. Render Network processes millions of frames each month through distributed GPU clusters run by participants. HiveMapper has mapped hundreds of millions of kilometers of road using dashcams mounted in everyday vehicles. Grass.io attracts millions of daily users sharing bandwidth through a simple browser-based interface. Each of these projects is a functioning business generating on-chain revenue and proving decentralized infrastructure can work. But every network typically requires its own dedicated hardware, creating fragmentation and inefficiency. A Helium hotspot handles wireless, but does not share storage or compute, and a render node needs expensive GPUs that age quickly. If you want to participate across multiple networks, you currently need multiple devices and multiple cost bases. Every new DePIN project must roll out its own hardware, a capital-intensive and slow process that fragments the movement. The problem is not that these networks do not work, but that they work in isolation, and value remains trapped in silos. Specialized hardware has a life cycle, GPUs depreciate, dashcams break, and hotspots need optimal placement to earn. The first wave of decentralized infrastructure proved people will participate. The second wave must prove they only need to do it once. NodeLink designed the NX1 as a single device meant to act as a foundational layer, hosting multiple DePIN projects concurrently. Plug the NX1 into your home router for a no-technical setup user experience that contributes unused bandwidth and idle processing power. The device processes workloads at the network edge, reducing latency compared with centralized cloud services while remaining passive for the user. NodeLink positions the NX1 grid as an open foundational layer where third-party projects deploy software, rather than shipping new hardware. One device can host multiple networks, enabling multiple reward streams and stacking benefits for participants. Think of it this way. A wireless node can earn from coverage, while the same device also contributes compute and mapping tasks simultaneously.